Bonsoir chers abonnés, merci de nous retrouver pour cette nouvelle édition de Axe Nextel. C'est avec beaucoup de joie et d'enthousiasme que nous vous retrouvons cet après-midi. J'espère que votre semaine a bien commencé et nous sommes très fiers de vous retrouver ce soir. Mais avant de débuter proprement parler cette émission, nous tenons à remercier tout particulièrement les populations des régions de l'Adamawa et de l'Est. Car pour la rentrée scolaire, Nextel a entamé un ensemble d'activités pour accompagner les populations dans la lutte contre le Covid et surtout pour accompagner les jeunes élèves qui vont reprendre la route pour l'école dans quelques jours. Je suis accompagnée de ma fidèle collègue Amanda pour vous retrouver dans toute cette joie, Amanda, pour cette nouvelle édition de Axe Nextel. Bonsoir, Amanda.
Hello, Alette. Hello, our dear subscribers. It's always amazing to have you guys with us every Wednesday at 5 p.m. and today is no exception. We are so glad that we could join with you guys today to have some fun live on Facebook, to enjoy your company, to enjoy Alette's beautiful company, to share with you our new offers, whatever is happening in Nextel, and also to hear from you. So if you're joining with us, please we ask that you share this edition with your friends, with your family, so that they can join in as we have fun today. We would like to thank especially the population of the East region and those in Adamawa for the wonderful caravan that has been going on this week. This caravan is aimed at preparing us for our back to school, which is just around the corner, as you all know. And we would like to thank everybody that is participating. We say that if you see us on the street, please jump on the caravan and say hello to us. We'll be glad to see you and talk with you and have some fun together. Why not? Thank you so much for joining. Please share with your friends so that we can start this session with your questions and answers. And hopefully some gifts if we reach a certain number of people, right?
Effectivement, Amanda. Parce que spécialement ces populations que nous tenons à remercier tout particulièrement durant cette émission sont les populations de Garwa-Boulay et de Yokadouma pour la région de l'Est et Ngaoundal pour la région de l'Adamawa. Merci beaucoup de nous avoir accompagnés depuis la semaine passée, Amanda, dans ces activités que nous avons engagées pour vous accompagner pour cette nouvelle étape qu'est la rentrée scolaire. Donc, Amanda, nous recevons les premiers cœurs. Nous avons Monsieur Patek et Daniel Romeo qui dit bonsoir les partenaires. Bonsoir Monsieur Romeo et merci de nous rejoindre pour cette édition, Amanda.
Of course, it's always amazing to have you, Mr. Romeo. Thank you for joining us. Are you seeing our Logabio, our biggest fan?
Yes, the first comment. Logabio qui nous a envoyé le premier commentaire.
Yes.
Et puis il y a Monsieur Théodore qui dit bonsoir les filles, Alette vraisemblablement une africaine. Merci. Merci beaucoup Monsieur Théodore et merci. Il y a aussi Amanda qui a de jolies tresses avec de jolies perles.
You're looking amazing today and I'm sure you guys are looking well. We wish that we could see you as well as you're seeing us. Thank you for joining. Minette Salo says hello, happy new month in advance. Hello. The month of September has been amazing. As you know, we've been celebrating our birthday for this whole month. We're so excited. We had a lot of fun. We look forward to next month, which will be starting with schools, and we are excited to share it with you. Whatever will be happening, we have caravans coming up. We have events that are set up for back to school. So please join us. If you see us on the street, take pictures with us, share to your social media. Let's all have fun together. Thank you.
Belle Giraffe, bonjour. Bonjour Belle Giraffe. Bonjour Lawrence Mendy. Hello. Il y a plein de personnes qui nous envoie des cœurs, merci beaucoup et surtout n'hésitez pas à poser des questions parce que à la base Axe Nextel est là pour ça, c'est cette plateforme là qui permet d'apporter de la lumière oui. Donc nous sommes là, n'oubliez pas et surtout partager avec vos proches pour que ensemble nous puissions profiter de cet après-midi mémorable.
Yes. Someone, Lawrence Mendy. says, good evening, everyone. I'm watching from Moyoka. Hi, Lawrence. Hi to everyone from Moyoka. Lawrence, I'm sure you have shared with your friends so that more people can join us from Moyoka. I hope that you guys are doing well. How is the Red family there? Because you guys represent the Red family for us there. Thank you so much, Lawrence. Please share with your friends so that they can join us and we have fun on this edition. And let us know your issues or worries that you have so that we can answer your questions, right?
Right.
And I know that you guys are waiting for our next socials. Don't worry. We promised something, so just be patient with us. We are also grateful to say hello to those from the East region. Like we said, there's a caravan going on in the East region. There are people on the streets telling you that Nextel is here for you, preparing for back to school. We have people in Betwa itself, the center of East region. We have people in Yakaduma. Aled, if I'm pronouncing it well. Yakaduma. Okay.
Yakaduma, Amanda.
Yes, we have people there. We have people in Garwabulai. These are places that we are there for you. So please join in with the caravan. If you see us anywhere, join us. Let's take pictures. Let's have fun and ask your questions. Get your airtime, get your data packages because we are here for you always, as you know.
Ok, Amanda, j'ai des premières questions qui sont là. Il y a monsieur Bien Matip le génie qui demande: bonsoir les dames, bonsoir monsieur.
Hello.
Dites-moi pourquoi mon numéro Nextel ne passe plus. Eh bien, monsieur les génies, il y a plusieurs motifs qui peuvent justifier cette situation. Donc, je crois qu'il est préférable que vous passiez directement dans l'une de nos boutiques très proches de vous pour pouvoir rencontrer nos commerciaux de telle sorte que ils puissent prendre en charge, vous prendre en charge et voir quel est le problème. Il peut arriver que vous ayez passé beaucoup de temps sans effectuer une transaction avec votre SIM. Ça peut être une recharge en termes de crédit, ça peut être une souscription. Donc, il y a plusieurs facteurs. Il peut arriver que vous ayez un problème spécial, peut-être spécifique en fonction de la zone dans laquelle vous vous trouvez. Donc, je vous invite à rencontrer l'un de nos commerciaux dans notre boutique, dans une des boutiques Nextel. Donc voilà, j'espère que j'ai répondu à votre question, mais si vous rencontrez encore des problèmes, n'hésitez pas à me le faire savoir. Amanda, je crois que tu as également une question de Roland Mont.
Yes, Roland says, please, good evening to you, Roland. Hello. He says, please, is it possible to improve network during the nights? Of course it is possible, Roland. Where are you, first of all? Maybe it's specific to where you are. Let us know where you are so that we can let our technicians know exactly what is happening with the network there. Let us know specifically so that we can solve your problem. Wagatawe says that Red family depuis Kuseri. We have people from Kuseri.
Et monsieur Wagatawe est l'un de nos fidèles.
He's always there.
Oui.
Always there for us. Thank you, Mr. Wagatawe. It's always amazing. We have greetings to the Red family from South Africa. Oh my God! Hello,
Amanda.
That's Salo Habiba
Wow.
from South Africa. It's always a pleasure. Thank you so much for joining us all the way from South Africa. Let our South African friends know that we have our roaming service, which you can make calls and use our network all the way from South Africa as well. So let our friends know so that you guys can join us as we enjoy this amazing network. Please share with your friends too so that they will join. We want more people on this live show. Thank you so much. Batibo Momo says, watching from Bamenda. Hello, my Bamenda people. It's amazing to have you. It's always amazing.
Je crois que nous devons passer nos salutations spéciales à ces populations de Bamenda. Ça nous va tout droit au cœur qu'il y ait beaucoup de personnes parmi vous qui nous suivent régulièrement durant ce show. Donc, bonsoir à vous. Bonsoir, Amanda.
I'm telling you, I'm excited. Our Bamenda people, it's always amazing to have you. Thank you for joining on the show. A big shout out to Al Amin, which is one of our favorite customers. He's always here for us. A big shout out to you. I understand that it's your birthday. Happy birthday, Mr. Al Amin. We are looking forward to you joining us. Please don't be late this week. Happy birthday to you.
Il y a plein de réactions,
I'm
Amanda.
telling you, so many people are excited today. Ale, do you see the question from Luis Ricardo?
Oui, il dit les commerciaux qui posent les questions. Non, les commerciaux qui posent les questions qu'aux clients. Monsieur Luis Ricardo, bonsoir. J'espère que vous vous portez bien et j'espère aussi que vous avez bien débuté la semaine.
Of course.
Il est important que lorsque un abonné ou un client, donc un abonné, se rende dans l'une de nos boutiques, il est important que l'on pose un ensemble de questions. Et ces questions sont là pour justement détecter le réel problème. Et à partir de là, nous pourrons répondre convenablement aux clients en termes de solutions. Donc là, nous pourrons apporter la solution idoine au problème du client. Donc ces questions ne sont pas inutiles. J'espère que j'ai répondu à votre question, mais sachez que vous, en tant qu'abonné Nextel, vous pouvez contacter directement le service client au 81 23 ou nous contacter sur toutes nos plateformes en termes de réseaux sociaux. Nous avons Facebook, nous avons Instagram, nous avons même Twitter. Donc, n'hésitez pas à nous contacter et sachez que nos questions, elles sont là pour cibler exactement les difficultés que rencontrent nos clients dans le but d'y apporter une réponse, Amanda. C'est très important, les questions.
Yes, and talking about reaching us on social media, did you know that we have Next Socials, which is a package that gives you our social media, Facebook, WhatsApp, and Twitter. From these platforms, you can reach us easily, and it's just 2,000 francs for a whole month. For 30 days, you get free Facebook, Twitter, and WhatsApp. Excuse me. You guys have asked so much about Instagram that I'm already assuming. I also see BDD Ben. He says, Amanda, hello. He's sending hearts to Amanda. Thank you so much. And hearts to Alec too, right? I'm sure he meant to share it to both of us. Stanley Ian, he says, Nextel Cameroon. I bought data for a week, but it is difficult to have without interruptions. But Nextel doesn't care. Well, my dear, you haven't told us exactly where you are. How we do care about our customers. Of course, we care about our customers. So please let us know where you are. Maybe it's a specific problem. Where are you so that we can solve this problem? Please don't be mad at us. Just know that we are here to serve you, and if there's a problem, you let us know exactly where you are so we fix it, right, Alette? That's why we are here. We are here to fix your problems. We are here to make sure that the connection that you have, the data, the calls, whatever you're doing on our network is perfect for you. So please let us know where you are. Let us know exactly what the problem is so that we can arrange it. Because like they say in Pidgin, nothing past arrangements.
Merci Amanda pour ce dicton. Il y a monsieur Emmanuel Dom qui dit bonsoir Nextel. Bonsoir monsieur. J'aimerais savoir comment reconduire ma puce. Moi je vis à PK14 et c'est distant pour aller à quoi. Monsieur Emmanuel Dom, je tiens à vous dire que vous devez vous rendre dans l'une de nos agences. C'est très important parce que vous devez reconduire votre SIM et cela implique un ensemble de modalités, notamment votre présence dans l'un de nos shops avec votre carte nationale d'identité ainsi que sa photocopie. Donc, vous devez vous rendre à tout prix dans un shop Nextel. Et nos shops ne sont pas uniquement localisés à Akwamanda. Nous sommes présents un peu partout dans la ville de Douala et un peu partout au Cameroun d'ailleurs. Partout au Cameroun. Donc, il n'y a pas que les agences de Aqua. Il y a plein d'agences, je suis proche de vous. Donc, rejoignez une de nos boutiques et on va résoudre votre problème. Et merci de signaler ce problème parce que si vous n'aviez pas communiqué avec nous, sans doute vous ne sauriez pas comment résoudre votre problème. Il y a également...
And I'd like to add, Alette, to this customer that wherever you are, just any call box, wherever you transfer Nextel airtime, if you can ask them for a SIM card, most of our call boxes have SIM cards that they can sell to you. So if you can find any place where Nextel credit is being transferred, you ask them for a SIM card. I'm sure they'll serve you with this. Even our agents move up and down all the time with SIM cards. So I'm sure that wherever you are, you can be able to get a SIM card, right?
Oui, Amanda.
Yes.
Amanda, nous recevons beaucoup de cœurs.
I'm seeing like thank you guys so much. Thank you for joining in. I see Al Amin joining us. He says, hello, Red family. Hello, Al Amin. It's always amazing to have you on the show. Thank you. And once more, happy birthday. I know that it's your birthday. Wishing you the best this year. Enjoy your birthday. It also says that Ali Musa is watching. And so many people sending hearts, sending likes. Thank you, thank you.
Et il y a Monsieur Prési Morrison Amanda qui te pose une question.
Okay, before then we have Batibo Momo that says, hello, good evening. My question is, why is my airtime not sleeping in my phone? If I transfer airtime in the evening for my business, the next day the airtime is missing. Well, Mr. Batibo Momo, this issue, I'm sure it's specific to your phone because maybe you subscribe to one of our services without knowing. So we need to know. You need to call the customer care service at 8123. They will check all the subscriptions that you have made to be sure, because sometimes you subscribe to a service, you dial a code and maybe you are not aware. Or maybe, you know, people have children and they play with their phones and they dial services that they don't know. So please check your phone, call our customer care service to check whether you're subscribed to a particular service that is using the airtime. There are so many services that we have. Maybe you're not enjoying the service, which you could even actually like it if you know about the service. So call our customer care service at 8123. They will check the services that you're subscribed to so that you confirm that you actually want to be subscribed to these services and continue to enjoy our amazing services that we give you. Thank you so much, Mr. Batibo, for letting us know your preoccupation.
Et il est important de rappeler, Amanda, que nous avons plusieurs offres data qui forcément vont correspondre à chacun de nos abonnés en fonction de leurs besoins, en fonction de leur consommation journalière, en fonction tellement de facteurs. Donc, allez au étoile 865 dièse et vous verrez la panoplie d'offres que l'on met à votre disposition. Il est important, Amanda, de le rappeler à chaque fois.
Of course.
Je crois, monsieur Amanda, il y a monsieur Al-Amin qui te dit thank you so much.
You're welcome, Mr. Al-Amin. Mr. Domo Clobert also says, hello to you. Please let us know where you're texting us from. Let us know, let your friends and your family around you know that there's a live show going on and you can ask your questions, whatever questions you have for Nextel, we are here to answer them for you.
Ouais, c'est très important.
Praisy Morrison says, I need unlimited data package. Praisy, you know we have so many packages. Like, go to star 865, you have so many options. I'm sure that the package that you're looking for, specific to you, is already there. Star 865 hash, you will see our so many packages. And you can choose the one that is suitable for you. We have Fly Extra, we have Fly Monthly, 15, we have Fly Monthly for so many.
Et Amanda, il y a cette offre promotionnelle en termes de data que nous avons depuis notre anniversaire, Birthday Data, qui vous permet d'avoir 6 gigas à 500 francs seulement, Amanda. Donc voilà une offre, je suis sûre, à coup sûr.
Remember, we are celebrating our birthday this month. So our 6 gig is there for you at just 500 francs. So I'm not sure the kind of data that you want, because I'm sure that Nextel, we have already provided the data. So please star 865 and get the data that you want.
Et surtout que le week-end, il pourra cumuler Birthday Data avec Crazy Data.
Yes,
et
and just have a whole day of browsing and browsing and browsing. Thank you, Prezi. Petit Cœur says, me too. I'm sure that this question was already answered. So you can go to star 865 and get the data package that is suitable for you. Thank you so much. He says Renard Bunde is watching. Hello, Renard. It's always nice to have you on the show with us. Thank you for joining. I'm sure that you're sharing already. Continue to share with your friends and your loved ones so that they can join us and we have fun on this show today. And then, as you know, once we reach 50 people, Alert, right? We have our gifts, because it is still our birth month. It's the last day, but we are still celebrating and we are still excited. So once we reach 50 people, showing that you are sharing, we will send our first gift, and the first person, you know, gets the gifts, right?
C'est très important parce que on suit ce cheminement depuis bientôt 2 semaines. Donc, soyez là et soyez très attentifs.
Of course.
Amanda a la surprise entre ses mains. Donc, soyez là, invitez vos amis, invitez vos proches à nous rejoindre pour que ensemble, qui sait, vous soyez le premier à profiter de cette offre-là, cette surprise d'Amanda. Je suis sûre que Amanda, c'est... Qu'est-ce que c'est déjà? Dis-moi. C'est quoi comme surprise?
Just wait, you see. Let them reach 50 first. When they reach 50, the surprise comes up. Oh, thank you so much. I see the hearts coming. Please share. Amanda. Please share. Share with your friends. Share with your loved ones, so that we can we can reach the 50 and start receiving our surprises, right? I see Ibrahim Elhaji Sali is watching. Thank you, Ibrahim, for watching. Wherever you're watching from, please write us a comment. It must not be a question or a complaint. Just write to us. We'd love to hear from you and share this amazing time with you. I see so many people online.
Il y a Amanda, Monsieur Justin Ouella qui nous envoie un très beau commentaire. Bonsoir Nextel Cameroun, continuez avec les services, on est beaucoup satisfaits. Oh là là.
These are words that just melt my heart. Alette, are you excited?
Mais oui, merci beaucoup,
Monsieur
Justin Ouella.
We are here because people know that this service is actually there for them. Thank you so much for your comments.
Ouais.
Comments like this make us to feel like we are doing our job the way that you like. We really enjoy to hear from you. Your feedback means a lot to us. Please continue to let us know. Prezi Morison says thanks for the reply. Thank you too, Prezi. Please go to *865 and enjoy our many services that we have for you.
Monsieur Bididi Ben Adi, j'espère que je prononce bien, qui dit s'il vous plaît, comment puis-je savoir si mon numéro est identifié ou non? Ben, Monsieur Bididi, merci d'aborder ce point très important. Nous avons eu l'habitude de le rappeler ici. La question sur l'identification est très importante parce que un abonné qui est convenablement identifié est un abonné responsable, est un abonné qui va au-delà de la consommation des offres de Nextel. Il sert également le pays parce qu'il est honnête. Donc c'est très important. Et pour savoir si vous êtes bien identifié ou non, je vous prie, Amanda, une fois de plus, de vous rendre dans l'une de nos boutiques. Et là, vous vous adressez directement à l'un de nos agents qui saura vous dit clairement si vous êtes bien identifié ou pas. Et je vous prie justement de vous munir de votre carte nationale d'identifié au cas où vous ne serez pas bien identifié. Donc voilà la conduite à suivre. Il y a Monsieur le Petit Cœur Malade qui dit tape le code. Amanda, beaucoup de personnes nous rejoignent. Merci de nous rejoindre. Monsieur Yasser Raoul. Bonsoir à vous. Monsieur Yasser Raoul, vous nous saluez d'où? C'est très important de nous dire où est-ce que vous vous trouvez, de telle sorte qu'on puisse saluer toute votre famille et toutes les personnes qui sont dans la ville où vous vous trouvez.
I see BM Matip Linjeni is watching. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for joining. Ibrahim Abdullah is joining also. I see Mao Chao is watching. Please excuse my pronunciation. It is with great love that I pronounce these names. Thank you for joining. Thank you for watching. A great show. I'm still concerned on the internet network. Please, Nextel, try to see into it. Well, please let us know, what are you concerned about? What is wrong with the internet network? Maybe it is where you are. Let us know exactly what your concern is so that we can solve this problem. This is Mr. Nombo Lionel that says that great show and he's still concerned about the network. Please let us know exactly your concern so that we can answer these questions. Wow, thank you so much. I see so many hearts.
Petit Cœur Malade qui dit Nextel Cameroun, Next Social, c'est la chimamelu. Je vous regarde avec l'un des forfaits. Merci beaucoup, Cœur, Petit Cœur Malade, parce que ça nous va tout droit au cœur et c'est l'occasion de rappeler, Amanda, que Next Social est justement cette offre-là qui vous permet d'être connecté sur vos réseaux sociaux préférés, à savoir Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter. Et récemment, ils nous ont demandé également d'ajouter Instagram. Et oui, nous sommes en train de travailler dessus pour vous offrir le meilleur. Donc, merci de ce témoignage.
Okay, we have, I am watching from Douala Newtown Airport. Thank you, Prezi, for joining us from Douala. I'm sure that you're enjoying the service. I'm sure that you are sharing with your friends and letting them know that they should use Nextel because we are the best. And then to check your identification, I'm sure that someone asked about this. You send check to 810 and then they will let you know whether you're identified or not, properly identified. Or you go to a shop because sometimes you may check and then you may not understand exactly what is happening. So go to the shop. It is better to go to the shop and make sure that, so that in case you're not identified, you'll be able to identify yourself immediately rather than checking and then staying and then losing your phone number. Thank you so much for your contributions. Prezi Morrison, he says he's in Douala at New Airport. Thank you for joining us all the way from there. We are always glad to have you on the show with us. Remember that we are still waiting for you to reach 50 persons to share our gifts today.
Ouais, c'est très important.
Yes, we are waiting for you. So share with your friends, share with your loved ones, let them join in, and then we enjoy the show, all of us together. Ai Ibrahim says, hi Nextel. Hi Ai, hi, wherever you're watching us from. Thank you for joining. Let us know where you are if you have a preoccupation so that we can answer it immediately. Thank you.
Monsieur Borel Fosso, bonsoir. Pourquoi vous n'avez pas encore lancé la 4G et Nextel Mobile Money? Merci pour cette question, Monsieur Borel, et nous y travaillons fermement. Nous prenons notre temps pour vous offrir le meilleur.
Of course.
Donc, un peu de patience et très bientôt, vous aurez ces services à portée de main. Amanda, il y a une réaction de Nénette Chalao. Je crois que c'est très intéressant, sa question.
Okay, Ninette Chalao, can you please add TikTok to the next socials bond? Minette, thank you so much. Many people are asking for Instagram, right? And now it's TikTok. Of course, whenever we have this show and people give their request, we take it back to our management and tell them that, okay, this is what our customers want. So we are going to take this into consideration and let our management know, and they can decide whether we should add TikTok or not. Thank you so much for your contribution. And I'm sure that when we do add the TikTok, you share with your friends, right? You let your friends use Next Socials. But while waiting, still share. Ask people to join us and use the social media packages that are already available. That is Facebook, WhatsApp, and Twitter while waiting. And remember that you can get this package at *865#, and then you select Next Socials, and that will give you the bundle that you want. If you want the daily package, the weekly package, or the monthly package, all these packages are at *865#. I also see the question of the response of Nombo Lionel. He says, thanks a lot for the response. He's in Mesesi in Yaoundé. The internet network is slow. Well, okay, we have taken note of this. We will let our technicians know that the internet in Mesesi in Yaoundé is slow, and they will get to it. I'm sure that they will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thank you, Nombo Lionel, for your contribution and your suggestion as well. We are really grateful because we have you out there telling us exactly what you need so that we can serve you better, right, Aled?
Il y a beaucoup de réactions de mon côté également, Amanda.
Yes,
il y a Petit Cœur Malade qui revient et dit Nextel Cameroun, il faut créer la future SIM YouTube, TikTok, Shazam. Mais Amanda, beaucoup de personnes réclament TikTok, mais je tiens déjà à informer nos abonnés que même à travers nos différentes offres data, vous pouvez profiter de TikTok, Amanda. C'est également possible, mais nous prenons à cœur vos suggestions et préoccupations et nous travaillons dessus. Nous allons rapporter à notre hiérarchie de telle sorte que, qui sait, Amanda, que nous créions une offre spéciale TikTok. Next TikTok.
Of course. Yes, we will do anything to make sure that you're satisfied. But while waiting, we are asking you again to use our Fly Extra, to use our Fly Monthly, to use our birthday data, celebrating our birthday in the month of September, to use our many offers that we have at your disposal that are always there for you. And then someone is saying that Prezi still, he's saying, ask your team to add real unlimited data plan. I am ready to pay 20k per month. Okay, these your suggestions are always taken. We always take note of it, and then we let our team know exactly what our customers are asking. And depending on how much people ask, and depending on the situation, we will let you know what our team thinks. All the same, use what we have first of all, enjoy it, share with your friends, and then we will continue to work hard and make sure that it is better for you. Hello Team Nextel Cameroun. Hello to you, Arnold.
Et il continue en français en disant, dans notre entreprise, nous utilisons la flotte Nextel et j'aime bien. Merci beaucoup, Arnold. C'est très gentil ce commentaire. Parce que effectivement, en plus de ces offres data et appels et SMS, nous avons également nos offres corporate adaptées aux entreprises. Donc, là également, Amanda, nous offrons le meilleur.
Of
Nous
course.
travaillons chaque jour pour offrir aux entreprises le meilleur en termes de data également et d'appels. Donc, c'est très important, sauf que ces offres-là sont vraiment adaptées à la situation d'une entreprise. Merci beaucoup, Arnold. Merci.
Are you seeing Petit Cœur? What Petit Cœur is saying?
Il dit, Amanda, le problème, c'est la durée des data. C'est la vitesse seulement. J'aspire les mégas.
Yes.
Petit cœur malade.
Thank
Petit
you.
cœur
Yes, I
malade.
do understand your worry. But we have birthday data. Are you sure that birthday data finishes very fast like this?
I'm
I
not
think you
sure.
should try birthday data, right? Petit Cœur, please try birthday data, and I'm sure that you will let us know.
Is-
Next week will be a testimony, not a complaint.
Oui, il s'agit, petit cœur, de taper étoile 865, étoile 16 dièse et de profiter de 6 gigas de data de Nextel à 500 francs seulement.
Of course.
Donc, Amanda, je crois que, petit cœur, tu devrais essayer ça. Et n'oublie pas que la période, malheureusement, de fin approche.
Exactly.
Donc, profite-en. Qui c'est ce soir?
I see Nesngwa. He says, please, can I use Next Social and any other data bundle, e.g., a Fly Extra package? I'm sure that's what he meant to say. Yes, of course. You can use Next Socials and Fly Extra, because like we explained, and I'm going to explain again, our packages are cumulatable, but only for different kinds of packages. For example, if I'm using Fly Extra for 3 days and I want to use Fly Extra for 30 days, I cannot cumulate. But if I'm using Fly Extra and I want to use another kind of data like Night Surf, like Next Socials in this case, I can cumulate the data. Do you understand? So I can use Next Social package and another kind of package, but I cannot use 2 Next Social packages at the same time, right? I hope I make sense. And remember that all these packages are at *865#. For any complaints, call our customer care service at 8123 or reach out to us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp, wherever you are. We are there with you. Thank you so much. Thank you for your question. I'm sure it has helped someone else to understand better the Nextel offers.
Oui, Amanda, c'est important de le rappeler à chaque fois.
Yes.
Nos forfaits sont cumulables. Il suffit juste, sauf que ce qui ne marche pas, c'est cumuler 2 forfaits de même nature.
Of course.
Concrètement, Amanda a pris l'exemple de Fly Extra et Next Social. Vous pouvez cumuler ces 2 offres différentes, sauf que vous ne pouvez pas cumuler 2 forfaits de Next Social. Ça, c'est impossible. Ainsi de suite. Donc, c'est très important. Mais pour tout problème spécifique, contactez-nous au 81 23. C'est très important, Amanda.
Of course. I see so many people joining already.
Sauf
Neswa,
que,
thank you
Amanda,
again
ils
for
sont un
your...
peu timides aujourd'hui parce que nous n'arrivons pas à
I'm
atteindre
telling you,
ce chiffre.
and our gifts are here waiting for you. Please, let's reach 50 people so that our gifts will be given to you. We don't have, these gifts are not for us, they're for you, our Red family. So please share so that many people will join and we will reach our 50 people, right? Thank you so much for joining. Nesngwa says, thank you very much. I'm okay now. Thank you so much for your question. We are glad to be of service to you. Share with your friends so that they can join in, so that they can understand this also. Maybe some people want to use Nextel, but they think that we don't cumulate our packages. We do, just of different natures. They must not be of the same type. We cumulate our packages of different types. Thank you so much. Are you seeing Dillian Sosa? I think that's the name.
Qui a posé une question, je ne le retrouve pas.
I see Prezim Morrison. He says, what kind of gifts, please? Well, it's a surprise.
Oui,
When
c'est
you
une
reach 50,
surprise. Alors,
we
monsieur,
send your
je
surprise
crois, Amanda, que
immediately.
monsieur Morrison doit partager ce live avec ses proches.
Send
de telle
with your
sorte que nous
friends so that when we
puissions
reach
atteindre.
50, you will know the price,
Exact.
right?
C'est très important. Beaucoup de cœurs, Amanda.
So many hearts. Isaga Nana is watching. Thank you so much, Isaga Nana, for watching. Thank you for sharing. I'm sure that you're sharing.
Est-ce qu'il a indiqué
He
sa
hasn't
ville?
said where he is, but I'm sure that he will. Let us know where you are so that we can give a shout out to your people there. Steve 4G is watching as well. Thank you so much, Steve, for joining. Thank you for watching. I know that you are going to share with your friends and your loved ones wherever you are. Thank you so much. I let so many hearts, right?
Ok, monsieur Borel Fosso, s'il vous plaît, il ne faut pas arrêter le super data de grâce. Mais monsieur Borel Fosso, il y a plein d'offres. même si la promotion Birthday Data, pour être plus précis, s'arrête, il y a plein d'autres et je suis sûre que vous pouvez en profiter. Tapez juste étoile 865 dièse. Mais nous prenons en compte sa suggestion, Amanda, parce que c'est très important. C'est à travers vos suggestions que nous améliorons continuellement nos offres et la qualité de notre service.
Definitely. Mr. Borel Foso, he's saying that we should not stop our birthday data, which is our special offer. Of course, we are taking this suggestion into consideration. But while waiting for whatever we are going to do next, we encourage you to use our Fly Extra, to use our Fly Monthly, to use our daily packages, our night serve. We have 5 gig at night for just 250 francs. All this at *865# and you receive all the packages of all our data packages, excuse me. So please try our packages. If you miss birthday data, for example, try another offer, because I'm sure that you enjoy it as much as you enjoy the birthday data at the time. It's always amazing to listen to your suggestions, to listen to you guys, to watch you guys join us online. I see Ibrahima Kali, he's joining us. Where are you joining us from? Let us know. We'd like to hear from you. Arabo Saibus is joining as well. Thank you.
Prési Maurice, on a plein d'autres questions.
Oh yes, I see. He's so much participating today, right? Thank you, Prési Maurice, for joining. I know that le Bluetooth is always joining. I don't know. I didn't see him today. Or maybe he's there.
Il est arrivé en début d'émission et peut-être il a disparu. Peut-être qu'il a disparu.
We are waiting for you, le Bluetooth. You are always asking questions. I see Prési Morrison is asking more questions this time, right?
Oui.
Thank you so much, Prési. He says we need weekly Nextel quiz to win credit and data packages. This will call more traffic to your future live shows. We have quizzes. We do have quizzes on our Nextel Care Club, which is our Facebook group. There, as a Red family member, when you join in the group, you have quizzes. Every time that we have a quiz, we announce to you. This week we have quizzes on Thursday.
Oui.
Yes, we have a quiz on Thursday, and you win lots of prizes as well. So please go and join our group, Nextel Care Club, which is the name of the group, on Facebook. There we will have a quiz on Thursday, and we have many more quizzes. We have been having lots of quizzes there, and people gain a lot of prizes.
Mais
so
là,
you could
Amanda,
win.
mais on leur donne des surprises gratuitement. Il suffit juste de passer, d'être avec nous dans ce show et d'inviter vos amis. Et Amanda, je crois que bientôt nous allons atteindre le chiffre de 50.
Of course.
Et il y a le Bluetooth, le Bluetooth qui nous a salué.
Oh, the Bluetooth. Thank you for joining. We were already wondering what's happening to the Bluetooth, right?
Et Amanda, nous avons atteint le chiffre de 50.
Oh,
je crois
yes,
que tu peux
we are
balancer
there.
la première surprise.
And there's the first surprise. May the first person win, right? We already sent in the first surprise. Let me pin so that everyone can see. And those that can use should use. Go right ahead and use this.
Et là, le gars bio, il dit, je suis là et j'attends la surprise
Of
d'Amanda.
course. Le Gabio, our very, very faithful customer. He's here with us every week.
Oui.
Thank you. I'm sure that he's sharing and many more people
Mais
are joining.
puisqu'il dit, j'ai déjà partagé le live jusqu'à mon doigt fait mal. Merci beaucoup, le gars
It's
bio,
always amazing.
d'être là avec nous. Et Amanda, tu as une question de Frank Gemma.
Frank Gemma.
Oui.
Okay, let me check.
Okay.
Frank Gemma, where is Nextel TV? I'm not getting any signal for a month now. Oh my God, really? Nextel TV is available 24/7. Like, I have Nextel TV on my phone right now. Yesterday, I was just watching Nextel. Nextel TV is available for you. And for those of you that don't know what Nextel TV is, it is our application, which we call Nextel TV, which gives you the chance to watch local and international channels live on the application. You simply go to Play Store or App Store for those that have iPhone, and you download this application, and then you get to watch live channels. You get to watch videos on demand, that is videos that are pre-put on the application for you. You get to watch series, for those of you that love series like me. You get to watch lots of content that we have for you. We have different bundles as well, and guess what, it is just from 50 francs. Like, Alette,
Ouais,
I don't know what
Amanda,
Nextel can do anymore.
Amanda, parce que c'est vraiment cette offre de Nextel là qui a révolutionné quand même depuis bientôt 4 années.
Yes.
Donc vous, avec Nextel TV, qui est une application que vous pouvez télécharger sur Play Store ou App Store, qui vous permet d'avoir la TV, la télévision à portée de main. Pas que, et pas uniquement les chaînes de télévision locales et internationales. Vous avez également des vidéos à la demande, des clips, des séries, Amanda, des films.
Of course.
Donc,
Everything.
pour lui, je crois qu'il faudrait qu'il tente de contacter notre service client
Yes.
ou qu'il se rende dans l'un de nos shops, Amanda. Mais je crois qu'en
Or he
contactant,
could update his application. You
c'est
know,
très
sometimes
important.
you have an application and you have not updated,
Oui.
and then it no longer functions the way you want. But Nextel TV is actually functioning quite well. So many TV stations. There's STV, there's TV, there's
France
Canal
24.
2. There's so many,
Beaucoup de
so
chaînes.
many channels. Please check out our Nextel TV on Play Store or App Store. And then Kum Jacob is saying that he's watching from Mutengene. Hi, Kum Jacob. These are my Anglophone brothers. I get so excited. Thank you so much for joining on the show. He's complaining that his credit just disappears without his knowledge. So, Kum Jacob, I'd like to encourage you that you check, maybe you subscribe to a service that you don't know about yet. So you should please check the services that you subscribe to. Make sure that the service that you're subscribed to is the service that you actually want to subscribe to, and continue to enjoy Nextel. If you still cannot understand exactly what is happening, I encourage you to call our customer care service 8123, and they will check specifically for your phone number the services that you're subscribed to and let you know. We don't take away your credit. You buy services from us, right, Annette? Thank you so much for your question. If you have more questions, continue to let us know. Call our customer care service 8123. Reach out to us on Facebook.
Mais
Reach out to
Amanda,
us on
Qui parmi
Instagram.
nos abonnés aujourd'hui a pu profiter de la surprise que tu as
I
envoyée?
have no idea. They never let us know.
C'est très important, si c'est l'un d'entre vous qui a pu profiter de cette surprise, de faire des captures d'écran et de nous informer pour que nous puissions le féliciter comme cela se doit.
Exactly, because we are a family, right?
Oui,
I see
nous sommes la
Sanyu
famille,
Collins
Amanda.
for. He says, Nextel, I miss you so much. Hello, Collins. Please let us know, where are you missing us from? It's always amazing to have a Red family wherever you are. Thank you for joining. Thank you for your contribution. Please let us know where you are so that we will also say hi to the people around you. Nextel, what is happening to our network? This is Shuye Justin. Shuye Justin, please let us know exactly where you're texting us from so that we can know exactly what your problem is. Sanyu Collins says that he's watching from Saudi Arabia, and I can't wait to have your services extended here so I can use my SIM card. Oh my God.
C'est chaleureux,
He's
ça.
out of the country and he's missing Nextel, right? Alette, like,
Mary.
wow. Thank you. Thank you so much for recommending us.
Amanda, c'est une preuve que c'était un client fidèle quand il était dans notre beau pays et que lorsqu'il reviendra, il pourra encore profiter de nos offres.
We are here waiting for you, and of course we are going to extend our services there so that you can have better service from us. We are always so glad that you can join. Please join us every Wednesday, even if it's just to encourage other people to use the service that you have enjoyed and you're sharing with our fellow brothers
Amanda,
and sisters.
Monsieur
Yes.
Bididi dit, où est la surprise? Mais Monsieur Bididi, cela fait beaucoup de minutes que Amanda a balancé la surprise
Of
en
course.
commentaire. C'est un code, Amanda, si tu le permets. Je crois que je vais rappeler à nos abonnés
Yes.
en quoi est-ce que cela consiste.
Of
Amanda vous a envoyé un code. Il vous suffit juste de taper étoile 802 étoile. Vous saisissez le code, donc la suite de chiffres. Vous finissez avec dièse et vous allez pouvoir profiter de la surprise.
Of course. and it must be with a Nextel SIM card,
Oui,
right?
c'est très important.
I hope you have your Nextel SIM card in your phone, because with this you can enjoy this service. Are you seeing what le Gabio is telling us?
Si je dis que j'ai gagné la surprise de tout à l'heure, les autres. Mais le gars bio aussi, si tu veux qu'on puisse te croire, envoie-nous des captures d'écran. Envoie-nous des captures d'écran.
Congratulations to the Gabriel for winning. Congratulations on your surprise and keep sharing. Once we reach 60, right?
Ouais.
Once we reach 60, we'll share the next surprise. And then whoever is faster than Logabio can win as well. Congrats to you. Thank you for sharing with us your surprise. Please let us know what your surprise is. Someone, Charlotte Singer, says that she's watching from Limbe. Hello, Charlotte. Thank you for joining us on the show. Thank you for representing our Limbe people.
Oui,
I'm sure that you're telling our Limbe people how great our Nextel service is. And we are always glad to share with you our new surprises. Right now, what we have going on is our birthday data that gives you 6 GB for just 500 francs.
Et plein d'autres
offres,
Amanda.
Yes.
Plein d'autres offres data au étoile 865.
Yes. We have birthday data, we have Fly Extra, Night Serve for those of you that don't like to sleep much.
Night Serve.
We have so much for you.
Beaucoup de data aussi, Night Serve.
Yes.
Et plein d'autres offres à venir. Parce que nous comptons lancer de nouvelles offres et nous vous prions de rester en haleine.
Of course.
Et vous ne serez pas déçus.
Thank
Amanda,
you so much. Thank you for your contribution.
Crazy Maurice, on a une autre question pour toi, Amanda.
Okay. Let me see what Crazy is saying. Before then, I see Samuel Collins. He says, I will always be there and I will share your videos. Keep up, Nextel. The best is yet to come. That I know. Thank you so much, Samuel Collins, for joining. Thank you for your contributions. It makes us to feel nice to know that we have people that love our service, meaning that we are doing our job, right, Alette? And we like to hear from you. When you enjoy the service, let us know. Let others know so that they can join in and enjoy the service as well. I have not subscribed to any of your options yet. That is Kum Jacob. Then what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to our services because I promise you that it will be the best thing that you ever did with your Nextel SIM card. Please send us the code to validate, please. Crazy Morrison, for you to be able to use the code that we just sent on the screen, you need to dial *802 this code # and enjoy the bonus that we have for you.
Et surtout être le premier. Parce que lorsqu'une personne aura déjà pris cette surprise, vous ne pourriez plus par la suite.
Of course.
C'est très important, Amanda, de le dire aussi.
Exactly. Gibeon Keju is watching. Thank you, Gibeon, for joining. Kingsley Mapoy says, greetings, Red family, watching from Kumba. Oh, my English brothers and sisters, it's always exciting.
Ils sont très actifs et ça nous fait beaucoup de chaleur dans le cœur parce que Amanda, ces personnes-là, malgré tout ce qu'elles traversent, sont là pour nous. Donc moi, je tiens à ce qu'on leur adresse des remerciements, Amanda. Merci d'être là pour nous. Merci de continuer de consommer nos offres malgré tout et surtout d'être des clients fidèles. Merci beaucoup.
Thank you so much for watching all the way from Kumba, right?
Il y a le petit cœur qui dit Alette Nextel veut me rendre fou les Camerounais qu'on crée le forfait YouTube illimité à la... Merci petit cœur malade pour toutes tes suggestions. Tu es sans doute la personne qui a le plus donné de suggestions.
Yes, thank you.
Crois-moi, nous prenons en compte tout ce que tu nous proposes. Et je suis sûre que dans peu de temps, nous allons offrir des offres semblables à vos attentes. Amanda, pardon, demande aussi les codes. Non. Monsieur Joseph Théodore, mais Amanda a envoyé la surprise dans le groupe, parmi les commentaires. Il suffisait juste d'être le premier à taper le fameux code étoile 802 étoile, la suite des chiffres dièse.
Yes, and Malad is saying that he's using a modem. An Nextel modem. So how does he benefit from the code? Well, to benefit from the code, you need to benefit on your cell phone because before you take out the SIM card from the modem and try to use the code, someone else has used the code.
Donc peut-être
so
la prochaine fois.
A SIM card in your phone, right?
La prochaine fois, oui.
Please get another SIM card for your phone so that you can benefit from this service that we offer to you. Thank you, Petit Cœur. We also have Charlotte Singer who says, how do I get the surprise? Again, Charlotte, you get the surprise by dialing *802 the code that we send on the screen # to enjoy. And just a quick reminder, we had 57 people, so we have 3 more people for
Deux.
the next
Nous sommes à
surprise.
58 même.
Ooh.
58
Oh
personnes.
God, I think
Donc,
we
plus
just...
que 2 personnes pour lancer la prochaine surprise,
Ooh,
Amanda.
Alette, I think we are there.
59. Ah, 60.
Ooh, well, let me send so that the next person. Are you guys ready? Are you ready for the next gift?
Je crois, Amanda, qu'ils sont prêts et surtout soyez rapides.
Of course.
Étoile 802.
Remember
la suite
to
des
be
chiffres.
fast.
Yes.
Because if you are not fast, someone else will just gather the code and enjoy while you are there watching, okay? So I'm sending right now for those that are online and have their SIM cards ready. Remember to be fast. If not, someone else will just take the code. Let me pin this down so that everyone will get to see the code.
Amanda.
Ooh, guys, so many. Amanda, let me see someone else. After Charlotte, we have Bonsoir Nextel. That's Champi Sonkwe. Thank you, Champi, for
Il y
joining.
a le Nat Dieu aussi qui dit bonsoir Nextel. On attend le Nextel pour ça. Merci d'être impatiente, Léna. Et crois-moi, nous y travaillons. Donc très bientôt, tu auras apporté demain ce service-là. Amanda,
I see Lawrence Mendy. He says that
Oui.
the network is not the best in Moyoka, and he's requesting that we look at this. Thank you for letting us know this problem. We will let our technicians know about Moyoka so that they can check out what the problem is there and then solve your problem as soon as possible. Thank you for trusting us. Thank you for letting us know. Please continue to encourage your customers. Tell them that we will do our best to make sure that this problem is resolved as soon as possible so that they can continue to use the service. Patu Yaro!
bonsoir Patou.
It's always amazing to have you online. We are always so glad because you send so many hearts to us. Thank you so much.
Dylan Sosa qui dit mince, les gars sont rapides. Je crois qu'il a tenté. Le code et une personne avait déjà profité de la surprise d'Amanda. Effectivement, Dylan, c'est le plus rapide.
Oh my God, thank you for
de
trying to use the code, which shows that you're a faithful customer. Next time, alors, let's keep sharing. I'm sure that if we can reach 70, we will have the next code. Remember, this whole month we have been celebrating our birthday, giving out gifts, giving out questions and answers, talking to you, celebrating with lots of balloons and having a lot of fun this week.
Oui.
Aled, it's almost done. I'm a little sad that by next month it's no longer the birthday.
Mais Amanda, nous allons continuer de célébrer nos abonnés,
Yes.
nos clients, parce que c'est grâce à vous que nous sommes là.
And
Donc,
we will continue to celebrate back to school, right?
c'est très
Next
important.
month
Oui,
is back to
Amanda,
school.
parce
Yes.
que... Et on a d'ailleurs commencé, comme on le disait dans ce début d'émission, dans les régions de l'Est et de la Damawa. Je suis sûre que nous allons étendre nos activités pour accompagner les jeunes élèves qui vont retourner à l'école. Donc, Amanda, la fête continuera en quelque sorte.
Of course. So many people. Patu
Patou.
Yaro says, "Hi, beautiful ladies. Courage." Thank you,
Merci, Patou.
It's
C'est
always
très
amazing
gentil.
to hear from you. I see so many people. I see which number was supposed to send the code. Not a number, my dear. The Nextel Cameroon. When you see Nextel Cameroon and the code, we pin it to the screen so that you will not miss it. Nextel Cameroon, the code on Nextel Cameroon is the code that you're supposed to use, right? So by now, I'm sure someone has used the code already. So try for the next one. Share so that we reach 70 people and send the next code so that you can win. I also see Katio Romeo. He says, "Hello, Amanda. Nice to meet you again." Hello, Kata Romario.
Oui.
It's always a pleasure to have you with us. Thank you. Please let us know where you're joining from so that we can say hello to the people there, right? Are you joining us from the east where we had a caravan recently? Are you joining us from Adamawa where we just launched a new shop for you?
Or
Remember,
Bamenda.
or Bamenda, Yaoundé, east, west,
South.
You know, we are just a big red family here on Nextel. Thank you so much for your question. And then, please, you people, you should finally work on the network issue in our area. Okay, let us know where your area is, Mr. Romario, so that we can tell our technicians. Are you seeing Le Gabio?
Le Gabio dit, on dirait qu'il y a une erreur de chiffre sur le deuxième code, Amanda. Vérifiez un peu. Mais je crois qu'une personne avait déjà profité de la surprise,
Yes.
le Gabio. Donc,
Le Gabio, I'm sure that you
mais le
missed.
Gabio, c'est le premier gagnant, mais le Gabio, il faut partager.
Ah.
Tu aurais voulu gagner une seconde fois.
Look, Gabby, I'm sure someone else took the code this time around. But thank you for trying to play.
Et Amanda, nous avons un beau commentaire de Monsieur Abdul Goma.
Oh, really?
Hi, Nextel est le meilleur réseau au Cameroun. Oh là là. Merci.
Like, we could not say it
Monsieur
better.
Goma.
This is the words. In fact, he said the words that we wanted to say.
Et venant d'un consommateur, c'est
Of course.
il n'y a pas meilleure reconnaissance, Amanda. Il n'y a pas meilleur témoignage. Parce que là, ça vient d'un abonné.
Where? Like,
Ouais.
we don't need to tell them. They are telling us. So, you know.
Amanda.
It's just obvious.
Et
Thank
puis
you
le
so
gars bio,
much.
c'est une blague en fait, mais le gars bio, puisqu'on t'avait dit que l'un des membres de la Red Family avait déjà profité de la surprise d'Amanda.
course.
Donc cette fois-ci, tu n'as pas été le plus rapide.
We see Kata Romario. He says, I hope you guys keep your consistency so that we continue to enjoy the network that we love. That is Nextel. Oh my God. These words just melt my heart. And
Ouais.
like, we all love this network because we give you the best. And we are promising that we will continue. Of course, we will continue to keep the network in the best shape for you, our amazing customers.
Ok, Stanislas Ndoku, j'espère que je prononce bien. On se connecte comment chez vous si étoile 865, étoile 1 dièse ne marche plus, mais c'est-à-dire Monsieur Stanislas, tapez juste le code étoile 865 dièse et je vous assure qu'il y a plein d'offres data.
Yes.
Tellement
Star
d'offres.
865 hash. Simply to select the offer that you want. Right?
Des offres journalières, hebdomadaires, mensuelles et même des offres spécifiques pour ces personnes-là qui n'aiment pas dormir, qui ont des activités. Oui, avec NiceSurf, ça peut être pour des étudiants par exemple qui doivent télécharger des cours, qui doivent voir des vidéos sur des vidéos didactiques dans leur
TikTok
domaine.
that they were asking for.
Mais bien sûr.
The
Donc,
Instagram and so on. And also, just a quick reminder, we have 10 more minutes to go. So if we are going to reach 70 people for the next code, you need to be fast because we have just a few more minutes and we'll be out of here. Aled and I always love spending time with you, but we cannot stay here forever, right?
Amanda, je crois qu'il y a un commentaire de Monsieur Théodore que je dois lire. Amanda, pardon, pose-nous aussi les questions, s'il te plaît. Le gars bio et le Bluetooth sont tellement rapides. Amanda, je crois que nous devons revenir sur la formule des
Next week
questions.
we'll think about the questions. I will do something else next week. You know, we always have new innovations, new ways. So stick around. Next week, share to more people so that we'll give questions.
Le gars bio et le Bluetooth, moi je vous fais un clin d'œil. Hein. Vous voyez, beaucoup de personnes se plaignent déjà que vous êtes très rapide.
Yes.
Donc je crois que Amanda et moi on doit retourner sur la formule des questions pour donner la chance à ceux qui sont moins rapides de profiter des surprises.
Yes, and Romario says that you're looking very beautiful today, ladies. Manfe salutes you and your team. Oh God,
Manfe,
Aled.
Amanda.
Thank God for the people in
Nous sommes
Manfe.
suivis. Ça va.
They are becoming our biggest fan, right?
ça fait
What
du
is
bien.
happening to the other regions? Manfe is like challenging you. They're telling us from Manfe that it's like Manfe loves us more than the other regions. Alex.
Ouais, ça donne cette impression, Amanda.
Well, we love you all as well, whether you're from Manfe, whether you're from the east, whether you're from the west. We love you and we love to
Tout
hear
le
from
monde.
you.
Et
on
n'oublions
this
pas,
show.
Amanda, notre couverture réseau est la plus étendue.
We are
Ce qui
everywhere.
prouve justement notre volonté de couvrir l'ensemble du territoire et de donner la chance à chaque Camerounais de profiter.
Ooh, Aled, I'm not
The-
cutting you, but listen to what Kata Romario is saying.
Okay.
That Amanda, baby, I love the birthday data so much. How I wish it would be forever. Much love for the Red family. Oh my God.
Merci.
Thank you so much. Birthday data is really the best. We are all enjoying this service for the month of September and a little bit into October because we thought about our birthday and our back to school. We did not want to make things difficult for you. If you needed to do some little research online for back to school equipment, whatever you need. For those in the university, if you needed to start your classes online,
Ouais.
we have birthday data for you, right? And we will consider to bring more offers to you. Don't worry, even if birthday data is not there, we have many offers.
plein
Try
d'offres,
other
Amanda.
offers. Try
Tellement
our fly
d'offres.
extra, try our fly monthly, try our fly daily, try our night surf, and I'm sure that you will have the same testimony about all of it.
Petit cœur malade, Amanda. Il dit, Amanda, pardon, passe le code à Alette est publié. Chanson de régime, s'il te plaît. Il doit avoir une alternance de pouvoir. Mais petit cœur malade. Lorsque Amanda envoie la surprise, elle l'envoie ni en anglais ni en français. Ce sont des chiffres.
Yes.
Il suffit juste d'être rapide. Mais je suis sûre que dès la semaine prochaine, nous allons retourner à la formule des questions pour te donner la chance à toi aussi de gagner parce que le Gabio et le Bluetooth,
They are
sont
very
très-
fast. They are very, very fast. And just to remind you, we are almost done with our show for today. So if you have any last words, let us know and we will answer most of it next week. But before we go, we have Fru Wesley that says, Amanda, please add Snapchat to next social bundle.
Je crois, Amanda, que de Next Social est cette offre de loin qui intéresse beaucoup nos abonnés et qui suscite beaucoup de suggestions. Donc, ça veut dire que nous avons des méga fans de Next Social.
Of course, of course. We love you and we are going to take back these suggestions to our management and let them know that our next social packages, you guys want all the social media on it. And I'm sure that they'll be able to make a concrete decision that will be very much best for you.
Oui,
A quick
Amanda.
reminder, Mr. B. Diddy says that, Amanda, your beauty is killing me. It is not me, it is Nextel, right? Alette, when you use Nextel, you just seem to be smiling.
Ouais.
You are just happy. Everything just works out because you know that you have data, you have calls, you have the service that is just the best on the market.
Tu as Nextel
We have
TV.
Nextel is everything.
Tellement de-
Nextel TV. You have Next Millionaire for those of you that want to be rich. We have everything here at Nextel, so that's what makes Alette and I to be smiling and looking so
Et
happy
surtout
and excited.
confiante. Et
Yes,
surtout confiante parce
because
que nous
we know
savons
that
que
our service is the best for you.
Tout
Well, we
simplement.
would love to spend more time with you, but unfortunately, our time is up. Alette.
Oui, effectivement, Amanda, nous sommes parvenus à la fin de notre émission. Qu'est-ce que le temps passe vite,
I'm
Amanda.
telling you.
Nous aurons bien voulu
We're just
continuer
excited to stay with you
de
today,
passer
but
beaucoup de temps
unfortunately,
avec vous, mais nous devons arrêter. Et nous espérons que la semaine prochaine, vous serez plus nombreux. Et nous remercions encore Amanda, ces populations qui nous ont accompagnés à l'Est et dans la Damawa pour nos activités en prélude à la
Yes,
rentrée
yes.
scolaire.
yes.
Donc, merci
And we
à
have
vous.
more activities, caravan everywhere. If you see us, walk up and say hello. Walk up and ask a question, and they'll answer your question directly on the field, specifically to you. Kata Romo says that best wishes for the Red family. Best wishes for you as well. And we will obviously see you next week, right? With more questions, more surprises for back to school. Caravan next week, wherever you are, just reach out to us and we would love to hear from you. Write to us on Facebook, write to us on Instagram, on Twitter, on any social media platform. Just search Nextel Cameroon and you will see our page, our account, on each of the social media platforms. We love to stay more with you, but Alette and I have to go. So remember, 8123. See you next Wednesday at 5 p.m. Bye bye.
Bye bye, à très bientôt.